Hello students, welcome to Child, Family, and Community. This is Child Development 110, Professor Nunez here, and I wanted to go ahead and give you an overview of what you can expect this semester. So have you ever wondered how your parents, your friends, maybe the school you went to, where you grew up, or even what you're currently watching on Netflix, how that plays into your development, or better yet, how that affects a child's development? We're going to explore all of those factors and concepts in this course. So I'm super excited for you to learn about this, and I'm super excited to learn from you as well. But before we get started, I want to make sure that you understand how to navigate our Canvas page. As you can see, I'm sharing my screen, and you're seeing our Canvas page. You'll have announcements if I make any announcements. You'll also be able to specifically go to different modules. You can go to Course Info. The course info will give you information about communication plan, how you can communicate with me. You can access the syllabus. I would encourage you to get familiar with this. It has my contact information. It has information about the course description and, most importantly, student learning objectives. So I would encourage you to take some time and review all of this. In addition, you'll have information about the different modules, and I will be using the modules, and I will be putting information in there week by week for you to access. In addition, you'll also have resources that you can review and use, and all of the information will be made available and published for you as we proceed through the semester. So with that, I want to go ahead and thank you for listening to this video, and I can't wait to meet all of you.